Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T here with another video. So I decided to go ahead and do this TikTok viral video that went, and let me tell you that my life has changed forever. Look at my brows. What? Like, okay guys, I think I got this as close as I can get this. So I even think I'm going to zoom in a bit, but I want you guys to see what we are working with here. The first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of the little sparse hairs. I am using one of these. Let me focus. Using one of these guys right here. It's just a little baby razor. And if you look here, I have like a lot of random unnecessary sparse hairs down here that I like to get rid of first. It takes me like 2 seconds because my brows are really just not thick brows to begin with. Okay, so tools that we're going to be using today. I got all of these items from Amazon. The video that I watched kind of like as a tutorial and a practice video, they use eyelashes and they cut them. That video was an old video. Now you can actually purchase. So I'm going to show you guys this here. If you do look here, there are numbers, and that is based off of the length of the eyebrows. Tweezers here, they are super duper sharp and fine. This is the glue that I am using. It says it's professional eyelash extension glue. Giving out a disclaimer, which it says DIY, so this should be known, but I am not a licensed esthetician. I am just doing this at home on my free will because I just want a change and I'm excited to get some nice full brows. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this. It says that you do need to have a well ventilated area because I'm assuming this is going to have some type of smell, but I also know that you need a very small amount for this. Wow. Okay guys, so this is my first brow. I want to get really close so you can see it. It's literally amazing. I have a few spots like right here that I could technically fill in if I wanted to, but this is also with no powder, which no matter what, like these are not dark enough for me. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not. We'll see. But I just want to show you guys my progress. And now that I have the hang of it, I'm going to do this eye, at least some parts of it on camera so you can see the process and how it works. Guys, I am literally obsessed with my brows. I want to get up close for you guys. Mind you, this is with no product, no anything in them. So, I personally love them. I think that they came out so well. This is so natural for me. I wanted to show them to you guys like this first before I added any product. I had no issues wiping out with a wet wipe, so I was pretty gentle with it, but still I think I had two come out, which at that point I think they're probably gonna come out anyway, so it's just like things I didn't do correctly. I did want to give you guys some tips while I'm at it. It was really a struggle for me getting the process down packed first, but now I feel pretty confident in doing it, and I know for sure that this is something I'm going to be doing. Like, this is now a part of my regimen in terms of just like maintenance and stuff of that. So my first tip that I want to give you is making sure, depending on what glue you get, let it sit out for a little bit. If you use the same exact glue as me, I was having difficulties getting the hairs to stick, and I got really frustrated and I left for like 15 minutes, and when I came back and that glue was more on the tackier side, similar to how you wait for your lashes when you're doing strip lashes, that glue, I did that, and then it was working for me and they were sticking on so easily. Another thing to keep in mind is that this glue is black. I did want to point that out, so if you do not have black hair, this glue is not going to work for you. I did also order some clear glue, so I will let you guys know when I do my update in about 3 weeks to let you guys know how these upkept and things of that sort. Another thing, whenever you are putting the glue onto the lashes, when you're sticking it in, you want to make sure that the glue is evenly dispersed. So I end up having a little method that I was doing because there will be like droplets of glue, and what it does is it adds like, which I guess wouldn't be a problem with clear glue, but if you're using the black glue, it would put like a darker little spot on my face, and you didn't want that. So I was actually taking the glue, dipping it, and kind of sawing it against my little hand and then putting it on here, and that way it was just evenly dispersing and I was not having any just like random black spots all through my brows. So that is another thing that I would keep in mind. In terms of like the process, things to keep in mind if you're doing the different sizes, these sizes went from 8 to 5, and what I did while doing them is I did all of my 8s down here, and they're going up ways if you didn't see in the video, and then I have some 7s in here, I have some 6s up here, and then here is 5s and 6 going straight up and around. So that's just like the method and what I end up finding out working for me. Another thing that I would definitely recommend if you're able and capable of doing it is to mark out where you want your brows to be via concealer. I'm sure you guys have seen all of my videos beforehand. I typically, when I do my brows, I map it out with concealer, and I did not do that because they said in the video to make sure your brows are completely clean, your skin is completely clean. But what ended up happening is I ended up having to take a break because I could not figure out why my brows were looking so different, and it's because I typically map out my brows, and this brow was literally like, they were both good brows, but they were different brows, okay? And it was really a mess. I ended up having to call my best friend Erin to help me because she has like an eye for things, and yeah, we were able to square it out and figure it out. I had like way too many hairs up here and not enough under here on my arch, but it's just the littlest of things. It's actually quite difficult to do this in terms of like mapping out your face, but I do feel like now that I have this base down that I am never really gonna need to do like a full set again unless I'm really just feeling like I need to do it, because I think for me my approach is gonna be probably like every week I'll just take 30 minutes and just place some hairs where I see sparse areas, and they'll fall off, you know, in the cycle of these are old and these are new, I feel, you know, because the glue just wears off. From what I have read, it's supposed to last typically around 3 weeks. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted on that because I wear a lot of makeup, I take very hot showers, and I wash my face a lot. I put a lot of oils and stuff on my face. Okay guys, so here's me with some basic 5-minute makeup, but I wanted y'all to see the brows up close and personal. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I don't know if you could tell, but my confidence is extra up. Like, my confidence be up in general, but this, y'all, I just feel like the streets should have never let me find this because it's over for y'all. I don't know what to tell you. Like, this is me now moving forward. You will never not see me with eyebrow extensions. That's just how I feel about it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you guys and give you some tips and tricks on how to change your life for the better. Like, if you loved this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and send a down below. Put down a comment, help your girl out. Share this video, change lives with me, because like I could have kept this to myself. I chose to give it to y'all, okay? Everything will be listed down below that you need. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.